Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by again. Appreciate it. So today, similar situation. We had to leave work at 10:30 to go to the company appreciation day in the park. So they had a barbecue, Dave's famous barbecue, which was good. And then they had like a raffle. They had tons of expensive tools like drill kits, weed whackers, air compressors, just all this stuff. They had a whole table full. It looked like graduation day from when I went to school. Everyone got prizes. Um, and then they gave away t-shirts. I can't even remember. Never mind. I remember. I was gonna say I forgot what I won, but so I'll show you guys here what I got. So let me flip the camera around. But also, as far as the video goes, for today at work, same thing. I took pictures since we had to leave early. Just got a little bit further on the pipes. Basically, it doesn't look like I got much done, but just kept extending the pipe out further to the middle of the beam, and then my other coworker was running pipe along the top of the beam, so we stopped with the 9'10", I think I said 9'10" strut. So it saves a lot of strut going across the building. So it's just basically clamped onto one of the angle irons, one of the support beams. So I was trying to get all the measurements and pipes bent for that. So basically, my pipe is coming up, and then his pipe is already done. His pipe is ended, or where it's starting is over here. So I have to make a piece that fits it perfectly. So I got 2 out of 3, but I just didn't get them finished and installed yet, since I'm basically just matching them on the ground in the lift. So if I got those installed, it would have looked like I got more done, but I'm still working on that. So that's what I was working on today, and then mounted a little 4x11 box on the strut, so I had to pipe out of there. So that's what I was working on, and then I'll go ahead and show you the stuff that I won, which was awesome. Just had a good time. I wasn't sure if they were gonna do anything special or anything. After we ate, I was just sitting there for a while. I was like, okay, I might kind of want to leave, but I'm glad I sticked around. So got a bunch of stuff here, so I'll go ahead and show you that. Alright guys, so they gave away hats, t-shirts, and there's this little Lego set. This is kind of for the kids, but Legos are awesome. So I took one, they were free, they had a whole box of them. And then I won $225, which is just fantastic. They kind of had like a little question and answer. This was my prize, for the raffle was a $100 Home Depot gift card, and then they asked for feedback or whatever, and no one was raising their hand, so I just said that I appreciated that they had the job site radios, so they gave me $25 for answering a question. And then they had like a little quiz, it's kind of like code book, but not really. They had like a few code questions, and then like just random like fact or random questions or whatever. So one of them that I got was what's code 760 in the NEC code book, and I guessed fire alarm and I guessed correct, so I got $50 for that. And the other one I can't remember now. So I got $50 for that as well. So $100 for Target, $100 for Home Depot, and $25 for Plaid. So successful day. I'm not sure if I'll get paid for the rest of the day, but that don't matter because I got a bunch of gift cards and it just had a fun time. I didn't know they had so many employees at my company. There was like, I counted like 37 people not including the office people, so there's probably like 45 people at this company, so didn't realize it was so big, but it was really awesome and enjoyed the time together there. So yeah, and anyways guys, I appreciate you guys for stopping by. So I just want to say thank you for that. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, my phone ran out of storage, so I have to figure out some way to save this video. But thanks guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, like it, and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by. I'll throw the pictures in for the video. Thanks guys. See you later.